Did you know that some love stories can literally kill you? This shy anime student was about to learn that the hard way. After months of crushing on their classmate, they finally worked up the courage to write a confession letter. But the beautiful parchment they bought from that mysterious antique shop wasn't just special paper, it was cursed. The letter worked perfectly. Their crush fell head over heels in love, and they started the most amazing relationship ever. But then something terrifying began happening. With their first kiss, the student aged a whole year in seconds. Their first I love you stole 2 more years from their life. Each romantic milestone was literally draining their lifespan away. The curse was designed with cruel perfection. The deeper their love grew, the faster they died. But if they broke up, their partner would fall into deadly depression because of the curse. Then they discovered the truth. The antique shop owner was their romantic rival who had planned this revenge all along. Now they faced an impossible choice: die young with perfect love, or destroy their partner's heart to survive.